Hey guys, welcome back to the channel The Guy. So in this new video we'll learn how to make a PNG. So first of all, what is PNG? PNG is known as portable networking graphics. So it's basically like extracting a object image from the main image. So you'll remove the background and extract the main objective image and use it in a different place. So let's learn how to make. So for that you should need a app called background eraser. So go to Play Store and search background eraser. You get interface like this, and the third app in the result is the app which we need. So you can install it. It has 10 million plus downloads and 4.5 ratings. So this is the best app I have seen for making PNG. So I have tested many apps. So even I recommend PixArt and PS Touch. So PS Touch is known by many YouTubers. So now the interface is like this. After you open the app, you go to load a photo and select the photo. Now crop as much as possible, like the max you could crop, and then uh, give it done. Now go to auto, set it to full, and the plus option where the intersection of 2 points, where the two lines meet, the point, you keep it like this so that clears like this. Now you could do it. So you can go it like this gently, and you have to have patience. You can't do it very fast, or there's no app which uh, can do it more better than this. So I give the suggestion only for this app. So if you know pro editing using PixArt and stuff, you can do it there itself. So I'll make another tutorial of that, and you can check in the iCard or in the top of the top right of the video. So now here, so now let's go to the manual mode and set it to full, and now let's clear it like this. So here too, if you not go gently, you make mistakes. So go gently. So I don't want this shape over, having the shape which I needed. Now let's learn how to do this. And in here, very slowly. Now I'll tell you the most important part of this video. So don't skip the video. Please watch till the end. Okay, now go here very gently. Keep a distance. You'll get to know the neck. Only then move it. Now, I got it done. Now go here. Some part is left, and I don't like this hairstyle. Like it's been like not so good. So let's give him a proper hairstyle. Yeah, now it's better. Now go give it done, and you'll feed some parts over here. Give smooth edge, and you can select it by seeing the image. So I think three well. So I prefer going three every time. So it will be the best one. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. You can save it over here.